Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're talking about membership access not working error on Gumroad in 2026. If your membership subscriber can't access their content, that's a serious problem. Whether you run in courses, private communities, or subscription products, access issue can lead to cancellation fast. So let's fix it step by step. So the first thing you want to do is to confirm the subscription is active. You're going to go to sales or audience like this. You're going to go in the left sidebar and click on sales here. And you're going to find the subscriber. Check if the subscription status and if the payment has failed, subscription expired or card declined, the access is automatically removed. So contact the client and communicate with him the problem. You can also verify the product settings. We're going to open your membership products and check the content visibility settings. We're going to go here and click on the products. And you're going to confirm the tier restriction, whether the content is published. Sometimes the content is saved as a draft. So make sure to change that. You can also check the email used for login. Many access issue happens because the buyer logs in with a different email or they purchased using another account. So make sure they log in using the exact purchase email. Also, resend the access email. You can resend the receipt, provide direct login link, and sometimes the issue is simply missing access instructions. After that, you're going to test the membership yourself. You can use incognito mode, a test account, and confirm that the prop membership page works correctly. Also, make sure to keep clear onboarding instructions, automate welcomes, and monitor failed payments regularly. Now, membership access issues are as usually caused by inactive subscriptions, login mismatches, or unpublished content. To verify the subscription status, check the settings, and test the experience yourself. And this was it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.